Alright everybody, thank you guys for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how we are going to take our SushiOne liquidity tokens that we added and as seen in the previous video, and how we are going to add them to a farm. Okay? One thing I need to note before we even get to how to add them to the farm is if you are planning on adding liquidity and you want to use it to farm, do the due diligence before and just double check to make sure that a farm exists for that liquidity that you are adding. Alright? If there is not a sushi to one farm here, we would not be able to farm with our liquidity. Okay? So here is our farm. As you can tell when I go to the pool, we have sushi and one, and we have 2.646 pool tokens. Okay? If there was not a farm for this liquidity pool, then we would not be able to farm it. We would not get this pretty decent annual percent return, which is an annual rate, which is yearly, not daily, weekly, or monthly, yearly. We would not get that, and we would only get revenue from the liquidity provider rewards, which means that whenever somebody swaps sushi to one or one to sushi, 0.25% fee is taken off the top and distributed based off our percent ownership in the pool share, which is very low. So I don't expect us to get anything relatively soon, because this is only like $5 worth of liquidity, just for the sake of an example. All right? So now that we have our pool tokens and we know that a farm exists for the pool tokens that we own, we can come in here, see how much it's offering, and we can decide to stake it if we want. So I'm going to click max, 2.646, and there's a couple extra decimals in here. This is the amount of pool tokens that we have for the SushiOne liquidity pool. I'm going to click stake it. Keep in mind, if this is your first time using SushiSwap for farms, there's going to be a button here that says approve. Okay, it's not a big deal. It just basically unlocks that portion of the smart contract for your wallet to use, and it costs virtually nothing. So let's go ahead and stake it. Confirm. I'd probably give it 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, come on, 1. Is it there yet? Boom. Oh, maybe 6 seconds. It took 6 seconds. But that's still faster than a lot of these other chains. Okay? And so now that we have our 2.646 liquidity pool tokens for Sushi and One, we will be able to harvest our returns as they are created. Okay? So keep in mind, 143% a year. If you divide it by 52, 143 divided by 52, let's just say 3%, we're looking at 3% a week, which means less than 1% a day. So I wouldn't expect to have anything too crazy here, but I will come back soon and show us how we can harvest this and unstake when we want to. All right? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and until next time, have a good one.